Welcome back, everybody. So it's supposed to rain for like the next week straight. So today I'm going to be replacing windshield wipers on my Matrix. So this is the hook arm design. So there's a little tab right here you push and off it comes. Then you just take your new wipers, and for this particular vehicle it takes 21 on the driver's side, 18 on the passenger side. So we'll go ahead and open these up. Then you just align your clip, and then it just snaps into place. And then just don't forget to do the passenger side too, although this one was kind of resisting coming off. And then with this one, same thing, just snaps into place. And there we go. Now I got some decent windshield wipers for when it starts raining tonight, actually. And it still didn't rain for about 3 days after that, so here we are. So nice. And even though I'm a little under the weather right now, gotta tell you, I still enjoy winter. It's just nice to be able to go up, drive to the snow, just relax for a little bit. Hot chocolate, or I guess hot coffee, because I gotta watch my sugar levels now. I couldn't even have my eggnog last year for Christmas, so I need to get myself into the gym. But anyways, that's how you replace windshield wipers. And safe travels. And remember, use common sense. And mainly, that's just it. Use common sense. Don't try to drive fast. Be aware of your surroundings, and just be safe out there. Also, I invite you to come check out Jesus Bible Study. I take passages from the Bible and make them relevant to today's world. Link to this week's video will be in the description. If you like today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day.